Hello guys, welcome back to the Planet V. Today is our day 2 of our tour here in El Nido. Today it's gonna be Tour A, which will cover the Secret Lagoon, the Big Lagoon, Shimizu Island, and some other places here in this
Again,
tour.
amazing snorkeling, lot of sun, lot of water, lot of sand, whatever you wish.
This tour is booked through Klook, so it's quite organized compared to the one yesterday.
And look this amazing view.
We're ready, so let's go.
Niman!
So we finally decided to buy a waterproof bag yesterday, still doubting, and now it's there.
You know, actually, that's the experience because I thought that our bag is kind of like waterproof, but at the end of the trip, because it's so wet everywhere, it got soaked in water. Luckily, the phone was not damaged.
We dove into the adventure at the Secret Lagoon, but boy, we were in for a surprise. Despite the crowds, we managed to squeeze in and enjoy the tranquil turquoise waters and stunning rock formations. Who knew finding paradise could be such a tight squeeze, accessible only through a tiny opening? This secluded oasis is like something out of a dream, with tranquil turquoise waters and mesmerizing rock formations waiting to be discovered. Legend has it that the Secret Lagoon was once a secret hideout for Japanese soldiers during World War II, adding an extra layer of mystery to its already enchanting allure. Who knows what secrets lie beneath these crystal clear waters? Dive in and let the adventure begin.
Done with the Secret Lagoon.
It was in this super secret place
Yeah.
because you can enter through very tiny hole there.
So it takes a lot of time to get in, and even going out.
You have to get ready to dive into adventure at Shimizu Island, with its powdery white sand beach and vibrant coral reefs. This hidden gem is a snorkeler's paradise. Explore the crystal clear waters and discover a kaleidoscope of colorful marine life beneath the surface. Fun fact: Shimizu Island is named after a Japanese diver who stumbled upon its pristine underwater landscapes. Talk about a real-life discovery. And before indulging in our beachside feast, we had a thrilling snorkeling session for around 45 minutes. Check out these shots from my GoPro, which I nearly lost because I didn't have a floater. shout out to one of the awesome crew members who came to the rescue when my GoPro decided to take an unexpected dip in the crystal clear waters. And hey, big thanks to you for joining us on this epic journey through El Nido. This was the lunch prepared for our group. The seafood was so irresistible. I may have overindulged on the crabs. Let's just say my stomach had quite the adventure the next day.
Stop! There's a big lagoon.
Big Lagoon.
Exercise.
It's a wild stream.
The stunning turquoise color of the water in Big Lagoon is primarily due to its shallow depth, white sand bottom, coral reefs, mineral content, and occasional algal blooms. Prepare to be blown away by the jaw-dropping beauty of this place. Picture-perfect limestone cliffs towering above you as you glide through the shimmering turquoise waters in your kayak. It's like stepping into a postcard from paradise. Trust us, this is one experience you won't want to miss. So if you're planning a trip to El Nido, let me tell you, this tour needs to be at the top of your bucket list. We had an absolute blast because it was not only super well organized, but also had the most amazing staff and delicious food.
I only see one or two kayaks. It's a bit far. This is the end part of the lagoon. And we're lucky to see a turtle today.
Yeah.
I will try to include a video or a clip of that turtle.
Legend has it that the name 7 Commandos Beach comes from 7 Japanese commandos who were stranded on the island during World War II and eventually built a small shelter there, leaving behind traces of their presence. With its soft white sand and inviting turquoise waters, it's a good spot for sunbathing and swimming. I hope our adventure has inspired you and giving you some awesome ideas for your own trip to Palawan someday. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy travels. Ciao!